An operating system is like the boss of your computer. It's the essential software that manages all the hardware and software resources on your device. It tells all the different parts of the computer what to do and how to do it. From managing memory to handling input and output, the operating system is in charge. Without an operating system, your computer would just be a bunch of metal and plastic. It would be like a car without an engine, unable to perform any tasks. It wouldn't know how to do anything. You wouldn't be able to run any programs or even see anything on the screen. Think of it this way. Your computer's hardware, like the processor, memory, and storage, are like a bunch of musicians in an orchestra. Each component has a specific role and function. Each musician knows how to play their instrument, but they need a conductor to tell them what to play and when to play it. Without the conductor, the music would be chaotic. The operating system is like the conductor, making sure everything runs smoothly and in sync. It coordinates all the activities and ensures that each part of the computer works together harmoniously. The operating system is the foundation on which all other software runs. It provides the necessary environment for applications to function. It provides a platform for applications to interact with the hardware and with each other. This allows you to run multiple programs at the same time without any issues. It also provides a user interface, which is the way you, the user, interact with the computer. This can be through a graphical interface with windows and icons, or through a command line interface. Just like you wouldn't want to conduct an orchestra without a baton, you wouldn't want to use a computer without an operating system. It's the essential tool that brings everything together and makes your computer usable. The operating system is responsible for managing all of the hardware in your computer. It acts as the intermediary between you and the machine, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. This includes the processor, memory, storage, input-output devices like your keyboard and mouse, and networking. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the overall functionality of your computer, and the operating system ensures they all work together seamlessly. When you tell your computer to do something like open a file or browse the internet, the operating system translates your instructions into a language that the hardware can understand. This translation process is vital because it bridges the gap between human-readable commands and machine-level operations. It then sends these instructions to the appropriate hardware components and manages the flow of data between them. This coordination ensures that your tasks are executed efficiently and without errors, providing a smooth user experience. For example, when you double-click on a file to open it, the operating system first checks to see if the file is stored in memory. This quick check helps to speed up the process, as accessing data from memory is much faster than retrieving it from storage. If it is, the operating system will simply load the file from memory into the application you're using. This allows for almost instantaneous access to your files, making your workflow more efficient. However, if the file is not in memory, the operating system will need to retrieve it from storage. This involves locating the file on your hard drive or SSD and transferring it to memory, a process that is managed entirely by the operating system. It will do this by sending a command to the hard drive or SSD to locate the file and send it to memory. This step is crucial for ensuring that the data is accurately and efficiently transferred, minimizing any potential delays. Once the file is in memory, the operating system will load it into the application so you can use it. This entire process happens in the blink of an eye, allowing you to focus on your tasks without worrying about the underlying complexities. In addition to managing hardware, the operating system is also responsible for managing applications. This includes starting, stopping, and allocating resources to applications. When you open an application, the operating system creates a process for it. A process is basically a container that holds all of the information that the application needs to run, such as its code, data, and resources. The operating system is responsible for allocating resources to each process, such as processor time, memory, and access to input-output devices. It also makes sure that different processes don't interfere with each other. For example, if you have two applications open that both need to use the printer, the operating system will make sure that they take turns printing so that one application doesn't hog the printer and prevent the other from using it. In addition to the operating system itself, there is a whole suite of software that works behind the scenes to keep your computer running smoothly. This suite is essential for the overall performance and stability of your system, ensuring that everything operates as it should. This software is called system software. It forms the backbone of your computer's functionality, providing the necessary support for all other software applications. System software includes things like device drivers, utilities, and libraries. Each of these components plays a crucial role in maintaining the efficiency and effectiveness of your computer. Device drivers are pieces of software that allow the operating system to communicate with specific hardware devices. Without these drivers, your hardware would be unable to function correctly with the operating system. For example, your printer needs a device driver in order to work with your computer. This driver acts as a translator, enabling the printer and computer to understand each other. Utilities are programs that perform specific tasks, such as formatting a hard drive or backing up your files. These tasks are essential for maintaining the health and security of your computer. Libraries are collections of code that can be used by other programs. They provide pre-written functions and routines that save time and effort for developers. For example, a graphics library might contain code for drawing lines, circles, and other shapes. This allows software developers to easily incorporate complex graphics into their applications. The operating system is responsible for managing all of the system software on your computer. It ensures that each component is properly coordinated and functioning as intended.
Till next time, keep wondering, keep learning.
Want to rise to your full potential in your studies and revise like a boss? You can trust Study Guide today to have you covered. Subscribe to this channel and see our website linked in the description of this video to see revision articles to maximize your study gains.